This is the Level 2. Join sentences with and, but, so drill video for the word and. Each sentence will be spoken twice. After the second time, you say it. I like coffee, and I like tea. I like coffee, and I like tea. She is tired, and she is hungry. She is tired, and she is hungry. He works in an office, and he lives nearby. He works in an office, and he lives nearby. We have a car, and we have a bike. We have a car, and we have a bike. It is cold today, and it is raining. It is cold today, and it is raining. I study English, and I practice every day. I study English, and I practice every day. Very good. Listen again. Repeat until you can say each sentence easily in English.